So they just made us chug out beers because we can't hold them in the cubby. It's against the HersheyPark way. And now these guys might potentially Hurl.
I kind of hope I do like a throw up already.
I just ate and chugged the beer. And now?
I chugged 2 beers.
You chugged 2 beers. You're dead.
Yeah, we definitely just took the lunch break. Perfect timing.
I'm not ready for this, but here we are. We probably should wait in like a ride or two.
See, if I really wanted to bag with it, we would go get more beers, come back, chug it again.
One ride, 5 minutes.
Hey, mask down in case you hurl.
I'm not going to throw up. I'm giving some comedy break. I don't know what I'm going to throw up. It's really good stuff this year.
Why did they let you tell me to do this?
I don't know what time.
Oh shit!
We gotta hold it till we get to the station. Why didn't I sit right here? Yes, do it on the station so the ride can be down.
Welcome to Great Fair. While the ride is in motion, please remain seated. Hold on to the grass ankles and keep your head firmly against the backrest. You will be reaching speeds of 58 miles per hour, so please follow up to all plastic glasses. Thank you for your cooperation and enjoy your 124th job.